guys, it's Nat, and today for this video I thought I would do a little intro, kind of like talking segment, because this video is actually in collaboration with Mapiful. So if you haven't heard about this company, it's basically a company where you can create customizable maps as posters. So you can do either astrological maps or you can do place maps, and it can be truly a real place like I did Seoul, South Korea, or you can do fictional places, because this was one of the first companies I remember seeing on Bookstagram, like people working with it, and they were making like Hogwarts or like The Hobbit and Lord of the Rings inspired posters, and I was like, that is a brand I would love to work with in the future. So when they reached out to me, I thought I have to like share this brand with you if you haven't heard of it before. The story behind my Mapiful is I decided to choose Seoul, South Korea, because my plan in the future is to actually move there for like a year or two to teach English abroad. So yeah, that's why I decided to go for that one. It's above my bed behind me. You can kind of see a little bit of it, but of course there'll be like clips in this video of it. It's a stunning poster. So yeah, but my plan to move to South Korea will probably happen in like 2 or 3 years because of like the current situation, and also because I personally, with my situation, I have a couple of things I need to do before I can actually go and teach English abroad in that country. So yeah, my Mapiful poster is perfect for reminding me of what's to come in the future, and like it keeps like reminding me of the goal I'm working towards. So yeah, I really love it. So it's very easy to create your Mapiful poster. You can choose if you want to create, as I said at the beginning, a place poster, so like a country poster, city poster, or you can do a zodiac sign poster. It's so customizable. You have so many different options, so many different layouts. I just went for the classic white one. I feel like that one is the one that's very classic and popular, just because I always admired it when I saw it on Bookstagram. So Mapiful also offer frames, so you can get like proper poster frames that are wooden, or you can go for magnetic wooden ones like I did. Yeah, I think from frames that's it. You have like 2 options, and I highly recommend getting a frame so you don't damage your poster. But Mapiful is very like good quality, so I don't think you could ruin it even if you stuck it on with blue tag. So yeah, what's amazing about Mapiful is that they also offer free worldwide shipping. So snag yourself a poster with the link down below. It's not like sponsored, so I'm not gonna get commission if you use my link. It's just a link to Mapiful. They kindly sent me a poster and the frames to talk about the company. So yeah, thank you Mapiful for partnering up with me on this video. I hope you guys check it out, and yeah, I'll show you some other little bits and bobs I've done in my bedroom to kind of redecorate it and spice it up. So guys, you can see near my desk area, I actually put these up yesterday, but I kind of don't like how messy this area has gotten. I also keep a monthly calendar on here so I know when I have to go into work, but basically I'm trying to make this area look a bit more clean, so I'm gonna actually take off all of those. Ta-da! I like it, I think. I might change it around, I don't know. I'll show you guys when I finally decide. Also guys, another way I decided to change up my room is to use more kind of softer lighting. I am one of those people that doesn't really like having the overhead lights turned on because it's just too harsh for me. So I moved my salt lamp, this one, over here. So we have some light in this area. And next to my bed I decided to put that lamp, which I actually got from my parents' room because they're going to be changing up their lighting situation, and I really love it because look what it does. It's one of those cool touchscreen ones where you can change settings, and it has like 3 different settings, but I always keep it on the first one because it's the least harshest. And then as you can see above my bed is the beautiful Mapiful poster that I just absolutely adore. And then I also did get new bedding from Urban Outfitters, and I highly recommend it. It's sloths doing yoga and it's adorable and it's so soft. And then something else I was also always like, there's something missing, is a rug. As you can see, this one is also from Urban Outfitters. I absolutely love it. It's got like greenish tints, so it's not like too much, and it just like, I feel like completes this area of my room, so the bed area, and it's so nice like not touching with my feet, my bare feet in the morning, like cold wooden floors, because I have this beautiful rug. So yeah, to make your bedroom cozy, I highly recommend a rug. It's just so pretty. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I just kind of showed you the little things I changed around my room. Not a lot, but I feel like little changes make the biggest difference. Like even if I wanted to make like a huge difference, I would reorganize my bookshelf, but I didn't really touch it this time around because I'm really happy with how it's looking. But as I said, I love the new duvet that I have and the rug. It's stunning. Literally, if you don't have a rug, get a rug because it makes all the difference. And then of course the Mapiful poster is stunning. Don't forget to check out the link down below if you want to get one yourself. It's definitely worth it. It's a beautiful poster and I love looking at it all the time. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Bye guys.